Hello guys, long time no see in our channel. Today we are going to unbox the Boox Nova Free Color e-ink Reader Special Edition from Onyx. So this is the unboxing video for this e-ink Reader Special Edition. As you can see, there are 3 parts in the special edition box. The first one is the e-reader box itself, and the second part is the original Nova Free Color protective case, and including the paper-like screen protective frame. And the third part is the extra power adapter and the original stylus marker tips. Let's see the first part, the e-reader box itself. Another paper-like screen film, and the e-reader itself. And this is the USB-C charging cable and the original stylus and the manual quick start guide. Let's see the second part, the original protective case. So, as you can see, the Nova Free Color e-ink Reader Special Edition, including one Nova Free Color e-reader itself, one the original protective case, 2 paper-like screen protective film, and the original power adapter, 1 USB-C charging cable, and the original stylus, and the extra stylus marker tips, and including 5 tips in it. So that's all. If you liked our unboxing video, please give your like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.